first one, and I'll follow.
Where is Corey? There he is. You're lucky you had people blocking you off. I was gonna dent your bumper a little more.
Corey, why are you harassing me?
Because he's a dick.
Son of a bitch.
Kick his ass.
Some call me a sinner for the things I've done. Born with a heart of stone, fast with a gun. I'm here to get mine, then I'll leave this town. If you're standing in my way, I'll cut you down. You can't tame me.
Board is done. Nice little meeting. Got a nice little picture in with the drone, and now we're off to our next destination. Good day for riding. Nice, it's cool, it's not dusty. You can't ask for a better day. The only thing I can ask for is that my freaking music would start playing because it doesn't want to load. It's gonna drive me nuts. I hate riding without music. Once you get used to riding with music, it's hard to ride without music. And that's the situation I'm at right now. But you know what? Just play it on the playlist that's already downloaded. Call it a day. It just makes life easier. So yeah, we're heading to High Market and doing the stop there, and then from High Market we're going to head off to Timberview, give some business to those guys, and see who we can get stuck in the mud over there, if there's even that much mud. We got some slower guys too. Y'all riding? Wait a minute, High Market's that way, no? High Market's that way, isn't it?
I think so.
Shit.
I've never been to High Market.
Because this will bring you to Whiskey Jack's. Well, this brings you back to Timberview.
Yeah, but I think High Market is the right.
No, High Market. I couldn't remember. Definitely a mud tire, but that's all right. If I put the Duros back on, he wouldn't stand a chance. He'd be done for. So head to High Market. Get out of that dust cloud. Oh, can't breathe. Yeah, gonna head up to High Market and hang out there for a bit, and then from there we're going to Timberview. We're gonna go play in the mud. I don't know if I'm gonna play in the mud. I kind of wish I would have brought the sportsman down for that, but whatever. If it's not that bad as far as there's not a lot of water, it's mostly mud, yeah, I'll definitely take it through it. It's not a problem. But forgot. Pull it up on my thing here. I'm trying to remember. My app's not working. I was thinking it was left, but I can't remember. But that's where they're all headed. Pretty sure it is, because yeah, it is. It is left. Alright, on to the next stop. Gonna head up to Timberview, go do some playing in the mud up there, and see what we can find for fun. As of right now, we're up at High Market. Another great place to come, but right now at least the shop's open. If you needed fuel or oil or anything like that, you can get that. And yeah, at least we can give them a little business. Trump 2020, baby. And they're off. Crawl it, I shouldn't get anything in the clutch housing. Hit it! Get it, come on! This freaking video on this phone. A wet belt coming. Wrong line.
Now it's your turn to do the next one, and I'll follow.
Whoa!
You never record a canned ham making it. You only record getting stuck.
I try not to.
Think like a Democrat.
Stuck or broken. Squeaky belt. Holy shit. He tried it. Oh, he took it right off the bead. Oh, man. Uh-oh.
Oh, I got both these.
Oh, you got both?
Oh, no, never mind. I just popped that one.
You definitely got that one.
It might be a bumpy ride back once I get that stuff.
Yeah, thinking so. been a fun day, I'm not gonna lie. I won't say this has been one of the best rides that I've had up at Tug Hill, but I'm gonna say this has definitely been a fun day. I will also say that I've done more riding this year with Karen, Dave, Bub and Michelle, Kurt and Mary, Jimmer, than, oh, can't forget Pat. Pat's been on quite a few more this year too. Sorry, Pat. I've had a few waters. I'm a little forgetful. But, yeah, I mean, it's hard when you get used to riding with the same people. It becomes one of those things where, yeah, you miss out, or, well, I guess if anything, you miss those people. So, but yeah, we'll grab some food, load up, and get going.
One day when you break both rear axles.
Did you break both?
Yeah.
Good for you.
Brand new.
Congratulations. Welcome to the club.
Yeah. I got one spare in there. That ain't gonna do me any good.
No, one spare only gets you so far.